Hi guys, so today I'm making festival with ackee and saltfish. In the festival I add cornmeal, flour, sugar, butter, egg, baking powder. I didn't have enough baking powder, so that's why I add egg and a little bit of butter. And we're gonna get started. The pot is hot, so I'm gonna put in the flour, the festival, and the veg. Oh, so for the ackee and saltfish I have tomato, onions, Jamaican pepper, sweet pepper, and tomatoes. So we're gonna put the dumpling in the pot. Sorry, the festival. I'm gonna put all of them in there. Okay. Oh, it's too high because they kind of pot was a little bit too high. Okay. So now I'm gonna put all the veg in the frying pan. Turn it around. So this is how the festival looks. They're so easy to fry, guys. So easy to fry. Look at that color. Smells so good. So in the ackee and saltfish, all I use is tomato, onion, sweet pepper, Jamaican pepper, tomato. Then I'm gonna add black pepper and ketchup, and the saltfish. And that's the ackee over here. Okay, so the dumplings are ready. So the veg is cooking. This is the festival right there. Okay, so now we're gonna put the saltfish in there. Saltfish. Add some black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna come over here, and this is the That's the festival in there. Let me turn up the stove a little bit more. The festival are pretty easy to cook, guys, so okay, I'm gonna take a break for 2 minutes and come back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put the ackee in the saltfish right now. I don't want it to crush. Don't do that. Right? So I'm gonna put, this is the ackee. So I'm gonna add some black pepper again, and then some ketchup. Okay, here. Okay, so now I'm making some plantain too. So let's put in the plantain. And this is how the festival look, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you again what I put in there. I put cornmeal, flour, egg, milk, butter, sugar, and salt. The only reason I put butter in there and egg is because I didn't have enough baking powder. Okay. So this is the ackee and saltfish. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Ackee and saltfish. And okay, so this is ackee and saltfish, plantain, avocado, and pineapple juice. And if you want, I don't know, have a glass of wine, or you can have pineapple juice, whichever. So this is very, very easy to make. I feel like I'm in Jamaica. Oh my god. Yeah, so I had a good time cooking this and for you guys to watch it. I hope I can help somebody today that doesn't know how to cook. And if you want to see me make something, guys, just comment and let me know. Alright? Thanks for watching. And have a great night. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Thanks for the love.